Last night with our first trailer. It definitely will be missed. Aww. Such a good little trailer. At least it's staying in the family. Alright, here she is, 1993 Sandpiper by Cobra. It's so tall, I can't believe it. It's a 22-foot bunkhouse and around 3,700 pounds. Okay, straight ahead, there's my kitchen. Here, this is a bed. It folds down into a twin, although I think it's a little bigger than a twin. This folds out into a queen. There have been some repairs already made on this wall and half the ceiling. And when I look over here, I've got the table. This is the propane tank cover, obviously. The cushion's just moved over here, but we have the cushion. And up we have like the little command center thing, thermostat. Came with the original TV. Nice big fridge. Nice big pantry space, or closet space. Not quite as much there. There's some cords and stuff. Here's the bathroom. Much bigger than our last one. There is some mold and mildew in here. The floor is very solid, but the roof doesn't look the greatest. Medicine cabinet. Actually opens up. Dirty sink. Haven't even looked under there. And then the bunkhouse, which is soaking wet. Starting to dry out. But everything in here feels solid up until you get to this section of the ceiling. And then, yeah, we're gonna have to replace all that and reseal around the walls. This is super deep. Really nice. And then they've got all these nice long drawers. I'm excited for the kids for that. Even though it's wet, it's still solid. Crazy. I'm hoping we can just dry it out and it'll be good for a few years. There's no storage underneath of this, but on the outside there is. It's like a huge compartment for storage and then the water tank. But it's accessible from the outside, not the inside. And they even have their own door. That's about it. Our next marriage test, I guess. Forgot to talk about the best part. The water heater works, and we have an outdoor shower. I've always dreamed of having an outdoor shower on a camper. Call me crazy, but I'm so excited.